here. Fresh set of tires, 40 to go, and teams put you in position. Let's race, boys. Let's see how this shakes out.
Zane Smith in that blue and yellow 38, 2 wins this season. Corey Heim trying to get his second win of the season in the 51.
Wow, look at that start by Zane.
Got a great jump, and Nemechek maybe a little help from behind the 38.
That was crazy how fast that line got going.
That, you've heard some of the guys are able to hold it wide open for a couple laps, and this is where you want to be able to do that.
Teammates Rhodes and Majeski back just inside the top 10. Meanwhile, Eckes at the front challenging Nemechek for second.
Nemechek